Toyo engine oil I banyak dengar dari mekanik racing sebab tempat I banyak pakai Toyo-Lube. Untuk Toyo engine oil, untuk I racing, bila temperature panas, I makin laju, tak ada masalah pada clutch, tak ada masalah pada gearing. Engine I masih steady dalam performance yang baik.
This Toyo-Lube also used for race bike, daily use for motorcycle and car use.
Toyo-Lubes came in somewhere around last year, which is very aggressive, and last year we already heard about the Toyo-Lube. To be honest, as a racer myself, I think Toyo-Lubes this year we have a very fantastic partner together with Toyo-Lubes. Regarding the race support and the performance, I think it was outstanding. Toyo lubricants, they are pioneer in doing lubricants. You have vehicles, you have bikes, and then you have some other source. But to us is that I think in terms of if you want to use it on the road, I think the price are pretty reasonable. And for race, I think the quality of the oils are excellent. To me personally, I think we are very comfortable at the moment using Toyo lubricants. Thanks for the support anyway.
All my engine I use from round 1 to round 4, no problem. I think overall it's quite good because I also get number 3 and 4. I suggest Toyo-Lube more event, more sponsor for any event, bike or car.
This is very good and no matter to use for the racing or daily use.
Toyo-Lube lebih melancarkan lagi motor kami apabila kita racing dan tidak memberi masalah pada motor kami. So dia lebih smooth untuk apabila menggunakan Toyo-Lube.
Ya, selepas saya menggunakan jenama minyak Toyo-Lube, enjin saya bertambah smooth lah, bertambah lembut lah.
I think Toyo-Lube can do more performance in the future because the Toyo-Lube can use in the race, also in the daily use. So I think for the future, all the people can try to use Toyo-Lube and see how the performance during the race and also during the daily use.
Toyo-Lube machine never die.